Let me see some quick turns. Show Mommy and Macy how you do quick turns. Yeah. Yeah. This is the last run. We got to go right down there. Lots of quick turns. Go ahead. Turn back. That's it. Quick turns, buddy. Go around me. Good job. Don't lean back. Gears first. Quick turn, bud. Let's see it. Step into it. Go. Guy, my little buddy, 4 years old. It's March 6th, I think, 2009. Go ahead, Big Chief.